Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. I hope you and your family are doing great as well. Thank you so much. So today we're going to be using my soft gel full nail covers in the shade Extra Short Square. And all I'm doing now is going in and sizing them and making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link down below. I love soft gel full nail covers because they really just take all the work out of nails and they just make the process so much easier and faster. If you have problems shaping nails like I do, then I definitely recommend giving them a try. We'll also be using my solid nail tip glue gel for this video. They were out of stock a few days ago, but I have them back in stock, so they are now available for purchase again in my Etsy shop. But I'm just going in and doing my super quick and easy method. When applying nails, I kid you not guys, this method has become my favorite because it takes me, no joke, about 5 minutes and I'm done. So all I'm doing is scooping a small amount of that on the soft gel full nail cover and then applying that to my nail. If you happen to get any excess around your nails, you just want to go in and make sure that you kind of scrape that off before curing. And I do get this question a lot, my cure time. Most of the time I'll do all 4 fingers and then put my hand in the lamp, and that just helps eliminate the time that your hand is in and out of that UV lamp. And I cure for about 1 minute. Since it's a clear glue gel, it doesn't need that long of a cure time. You also want to make sure that you're doing a proper prep if you want your nails to last longer, which I did not include in this video, but I'll be sure to leave a link down below to a video that does include prep if you are interested. And always want to point this out, but I do go in and do my thumb separately. Alrighty, so now we're going to begin filing. Here's what the nails are looking like. I'm going to be using an 80/80 grit file, and these are available for purchase off of Amazon. I was totally out of clip for the whole filing session. A little bit towards the end I got back in frame, so I super apologize for that, but these will be linked down below if you're interested in trying out these nail files. These were mentioned in my Amazon favorites. Love them. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. Alright, so for polish, we're going to be using this Milky White Builder Base. This is available for purchase off of Amazon as well. And I'll be sure to have the link to this down below. But I'm just going in and doing that Builder Base method. So I'm going to be not applying it as if it were like just a gel polish. I'm going to almost like exactly what it is, like build it. So as you can see, I'm just kind of like swirling and stacking it on each other just to get a really nice, thick, deep color. If you want it to be more sheer, then you can just apply it as like a regular gel polish. But if you really want that nice Milky White base, then I would recommend applying it like this. And then after you finish doing that, I just go in with a liner brush and wipe up the sides just to make sure everything is nice and perfect. Alright, so for my design, I'm going to be using this Mia's Secret Blooming Gel, also available for purchase. Link will be down below. And then I'm going in with the Aprez white polish, but you can use any white polish, doesn't really matter. But when you're using blooming gel, you go in and you apply this as if it were like a regular top coat or gel polish, but you don't cure. You apply it and then you take whatever color that you want to bloom and apply it. So don't cure in between. I'm just going to go in with some white gel polish and do some lines, just random lines, because I'm going to be swirling it to kind of give it like that marble effect. But yeah, just going in with the same liner brush and applying some random lines. And after you finish applying and giving it a second to bloom, I just go in with that same brush and do some swirls, and it's just gonna give your nails like a really pretty marble look. So here's what they're looking like. Now I went in and cured, and then we're going to be applying some gold foil. So when applying this gold foil, I went in with a top coat. This was not a no wipe top coat. This was just a regular gel top coat. And then I applied that foil. They have like nail grinders that you can use to grind up your foil so you don't have to hand do it like I'm doing here. If you're a nail tech, I recommend getting it, but I just don't use nail foil enough for me to invest in that, but that does make the process much faster. But yeah, I just went in with a thin coat of that top coat and then applied some gold foil. And I know I said it like a million times throughout this whole video, but everything is mostly off of Amazon. All this is from Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link again down below. Okay, so after you finish applying the foil, you can go in and cure, and then I'm also going to go in with a no wipe top coat now and seal off all of my nails. Last and final step, my favorite, cuticle oil. These are my cuticle oils that are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and today we're going in with the scent lavender. I really love these cuticle oils. It's very important just in general that you invest in a ultra hydrating cuticle oil. And here is the final look. I love this design. It's super cute and super simple. It's very easy to do as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!
You